Hello friends, I am Prashant Kumar. Welcome to the today's the Hindu vocabulary session. Friends, before starting the session, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to our channel Vocab with Prashant and press bell button so that you continue to get further videos notifications. So friends, let's start the today's session. Today's first word is resuscitate. It is verb in parts of speech. Its meaning is make active or vigorous again. Its synonyms are revive, regenerate, revitalize, renew, and renovate. And its antonyms are destroy, suppress, crush, and damage. Second word is expatriate. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is a person who lives outside their native country. Its synonyms are settler, migrant, incomer, and refugee. And its antonyms are native, inhabitant, dweller, and local. Next word is intertwine. It is verb in parts of speech. Its meaning is to be or become very closely connected with something or somebody else. Its synonyms are connect, link, join, and associate. And its antonyms are disassociate, disconnect, divide, and separate. Fourth word is maelstrom. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is a situation or state of confused movement or violent turmoil. Its synonyms are turbulence, chaos, turmoil, disorder, upheaval. And its antonyms are calm, peace, order, and harmony. Fifth word is exodus. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is a mass departure of people. Its synonyms are exit, migration, withdrawal, evacuation, and egress. Its antonyms are arrival, influx, entrance, and coming. Next word is brawl. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is a rough or noisy fight or quarrel. Its synonyms are fight, tussle, clash, and commotion. And its antonyms are agreement and harmony. Seventh word is brisk. It is adjective in parts of speech. Its meaning is active and energetic. Its synonyms are quick, swift, and speedy. And its antonyms are lethargic and lazy. Next word friends, boisterously. It is adverb in parts of speech. Its meaning is in a noisy way full of life and energy. Its synonyms are fiercely, uproariously, and turbulently. And its antonyms are gently and unenthusiastically. Next word is disdain. It is verb in parts of speech. Its meaning is refuse to do something from feelings of pride or superiority. Its synonyms are reject, ignore, spurn, and snub. And its antonyms are regard and admire. Next word is perpetuate. It is verb in parts of speech. Its meaning is to make something such as a bad situation, a belief, etc. continue for a long time. Its synonyms are sustain, continue, maintain, and prolong. And its antonyms are cease, quiet, stop, and give up. Next word is dispel. It is verb in parts of speech. Its meaning is make disappear. Its synonyms are eliminate, get rid of, dismiss, and disperse. And its antonyms are gather, collect, and assemble. Next word is laxity. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is lack of strictness or care. Its synonyms are slackness, carelessness, and negligence. And its antonyms are vigilance and severity. Next word is credo. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is a statement of the beliefs or aims which guide someone's actions. Its synonyms are doctrine, belief, and ideology. Next word is hardship. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is severe suffering or privation. Its synonyms are destitution, deprivation, and privation. And its antonyms are blessing and advantage. Today's last word is solidarity. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is support by one person or group of people for another because they share feelings, opinions, aims, etc. Its synonyms are unanimity, accord, oneness, cohesion, and consensus. And its antonyms are discord, disagreement, difference, and variance. So friends, this was today's The Hindu vocabulary session, which can prove to be important for any of your competitive exams. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to our channel Vocab with Prashant, like it and share it with your friends. See you guys in the next session. Jai Hind.